Go.
We're on. All right, this is week 4 of 5 weeks of Charleston fun. And we're having fun. We probably learned our hardest move tonight, and that's what I'm calling the push kick. Real quick, I'm going to kind of break it down for the follows first before I connect with Michael here. So what's going to happen, ladies, or follows, is that it's going to go rock, step, skip forward, land on 4. Okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm kind of keeping my right foot flat as he pushes me on 3. So pretend if you're doing this by yourself that somebody is pushing your back on 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Somebody just pushed me, I land on 4. Okay, and what's going to happen is I'm going to pivot to the right because I'm still holding on to him with my right hand, so I can only move to the right. And I'm going to pivot and kick with my right leg. And then I'm going to hinge while he pulls me back, kick forward again with my right leg, land on that right leg, and then I'll be ready to go back into tandem Charleston. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a lot harder to do without a partner. Okay, so now I'm going to do it with Michael in tandem. We'll do it from a couple different angles. Let's do it from this angle first, just so you can see his left hand pushing me forward on 3. We'll do one basic. He's going to let go with his left hand on 1. He's going to push my back on 3, and he's going to pull me back with his right hand on 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic. Drop the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hop. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hop. Now he's going to try it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hop, 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 hop. Connecting back into tandem Charleston. What a workout. And that's your push kick tutorial. Thank you, Michael.